Is he nervous about the dog show?
No, it's not that.
Looks like he could use a friend. You okay, amigo?
Yeah, sure.
I know you're worried about your sons. Please tell us what happened, Delgado.
We're your friends. You can trust us.
About 3 years ago, when I was on the force in Mexico, we apprehended some really bad guys. We also got their dogs. Those dogs said they'd get their revenge by hurting my pups. So I took my boys out of the country and brought them to Los Angeles. Thought they'd be safer away from me. It's the hardest thing I've ever done. Don't turn around. Don't turn around. I went into hiding and I lost contact with my sons. As time went by, I knew I had to find them again. But now they think I abandoned them for no reason.
But if you tell them what happened, they'll understand.
My sons won't listen to me. After the dog show, I'm going back to Mexico.
Poor Delgado. We gotta do something to help him.